Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to make a loose fit notched collar shirt that I purchased the pattern from Etsy, and I leave the link below. I've also included a Freepattern link, so let's make it together step by step. Let's get started by preparing our pattern and fabric. For the opening of the pocket twice along the finished line, and sew both sides right sides together. Trim the corners to prevent breakness when turned right side out. Turn it right side out. For the seam allowance along the finished line, and press. For a clean finish on curved parts, use a loosened stitch to gather the fabric before pressing. Attach the pocket to the front piece. Place the collar panels right sides together and mark the exact points where the seam allowance meets. Sew from one notch to the opposite notch. Trim the seam allowance at the corners and the notches to prevent breakness when turned right side out. Turn it right side out and press to achieve the desired shape. Place the lining on the front piece, right sides together. Sew from the notches finished line to the hem. Trim the upper edge for a sharp corner. Understitch to the lining side with all seam allowances, about 1.5 inches from the first button height to prevent the lining from peeking out after completion. Repeat for the other side. Place the front and back pieces right sides together and sew the shoulder seams. Press the seams flat. Align point A on the front piece with point B on the collar. And cover with the lining like a sandwich. Sew along the notched mark. The seam should end exactly on your marked seam allowance. Clip the seam allowance at the corners. Repeat for the other side of the collar. For the end of the lining's shoulder seam, and sew. Align the notches on the neckline and attach the collar. Serge or use bias tape like I did. Finish the lining shoulder end with hand stitching. Align the notches on the armhole and the sleeve. Pin or clip in place and sew from the shoulder to the armpit to prevent the fabric from shifting. Place the front and back pieces right sides together with the sleeves. Sew from the armpit to the sleeve end, then from the armpit to the hem. Fold the sleeve ends twice to finish. For the front hem, place the lining and front piece right sides together and sew along the finished line. Ensure the lining is slightly lower so it doesn't show when turned right side out. Trim the seam allowance. And turn right side out. Repeat for the other side. For the hem to finish. For the curved part, gather with a loosened stitch before pressing to maintain a smooth curve. After sewing, remove the loosened stitch threads. Thank you for watching.